Cardigan is built for middle school boys, and we don't do anything else. We don't do high school. We work with middle school boys, and we're not surprised by a whole lot. And so we expect them to come with needs, and we're able to meet them right where they are and help them move as far as they can go.
Here, it's okay for him to be smart, and no one makes fun of him because of that. He has had experiences where he was the youngest in many of his classes, and there were times when he was made to feel like, well, you're too young, or you ask too many questions, and that has always been a challenge for him and for us as well, because we want him to be in an environment where he can excel without any limits, and Cardigan offers him that.
In other middle schools, I think boys are often told to be quiet and that we'll take you seriously in a few years when you're a little bit more mature. And here, we take them seriously now, and we honor that, and you can see the results in that.